The first step is to do the brackets, right? So we have 2 to the power 4, which is 16. And when we have a power to a power, we multiply 2 powers. So we have m to the power of 3 times 4, which is m to the power of 12. And then we have n to the power of 2 to the power of 4. So we have n to the power of 2 times 4, which is n to the power of 8. For the next bracket, we have negative 4 to the power of 2, which is 16. Then we have m to the power of 1 times 2, which is 2. And then we have n to the power of 1 times 2, which is also 2. Now that we have expanded the brackets, we are now able to divide these two sets of bases, m and m. Right? And when you divide two powers, you are going to be subtracting the exponents. So we have 16 divided by 16, which is just 1. Then we have m to the power of 12 divided by m to the power of 2, so we have m to the power of 10, right? Since it's 12 minus 2. And then we have n to the power of 8 divided by n to the power of 2, so we have n to the power of 8 minus 2, which is n to the power of 6.